Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, I am Firman Bagus Prasetyo want to answer and explain for the case number 4 about sortir conveyor. In here, I use ERF 540 for the latching the motor and one push button for on, and this is one push button for off, and this is sensor 1 for detected apple on the conveyor or not in the conveyor, and this sensor for this used for counting for bad apple. If the sensor is on, the LED will go on. This is indicate for actuator for through the conveyor for to the second conveyor or behind the left conveyor, and this is for indicator for this buzzer. And if the counter counting about 10 bad apple, this LED will go on and the buzzer will go on because this is parallel. And if this transistor for the turn off the MOSFET, if the counter counting for 10 bad apple. And this is emergency stop, used for emergency if the system cannot be turned off, but we want to turn off the system, but this push button cannot be turned off. We can use this emergency. And this sensoring, if this is for the first position. If apple on the conveyor, this sensor will active like this. This is sensor for detected for apple, and this is not detected for apple. And if this conveyor has bad apple, this is will go to turn on, and I will show about how to work this circuit. First, no conveyor in the no apple in the conveyor. This motor will go turn on. If this apple on the conveyor, this is go active, and we cannot turn off this motor because apple on the conveyor. And sensor has detected for bad apple 1. This light is indicate for actuator to throw this bad apple, and if apple not detected, actuator will go back, and this flip-flop has counting about 1 because I click for 1 times. And this emergency can use for this if this motor work cannot be turned off. And I want to explain for this 10 counting about bad apple. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this buzzer will go turn on. This is indicate, and the system go to off. And I will show, but for this emergency work, this system is go on and cannot turn off by this switch. Nah, in this emergency, use for this use for off this system. I use AND gate because this counting about 10 is this binary, like this is 1 0 1 0, and this, if this 1 and key output flip-flop this and this is 1, and the and output is 1, and go to the transistor for switching this LED and buzzer and switching this ground for this MOSFET go to turn off. The MOSFET work because this current has plus for this input for the MOSFET to go to turn on this gate, and this off is input ERF 540 is ground, because if this ground go to input and the flow current for this motor is turned off. And this is I use for indicate change about the actuator for throwing the bad apple. I use just indicate for LED because usually throw apple in the conveyor use pneumatic, and if this is parallel for the valve and this valve have two input for the go to in and out, and if the one valve used for this transistor for the move, and the right side for valve use the spring because this is just active one times and go to turn off. And thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.